During this course, I will be demonstrating several programs and examples. To make things simple and easy for you, I will show you how you can easily get all the code and the program files that I will be explaining during this course. So first, I assume that you have already created your ROS workspace and you are ready to create the ROS project that contains the programs of this course. So let's get started. So as already explained before, the ROS project files will be located into our workspace. So I assume that you have a Catkin workspace. So here I have a fresh Catkin workspace. So what we will do, we open a terminal, okay? We make sure that our workspace is activated by default. So this is the case. You can write /cd and it should take you to the Catkin workspace here. Then we go to the source folder, and here where we are going to add our packages. So for the moment, I don't have any package here. You may have your own packages, so you can add this one in addition. This is possible, or you can have also a fresh workspace like I'm having here now. So we will get the package from my GitHub account. My GitHub repository is located in this URL, github.com/aniskuba. So you come here, and then you go to the different repositories, and then you select ROS Essentials CPP. There are two different options to get the code. The simplest one would be to download the zip file and then open it. One thing you need to do is to remove the word master, because this represents the branch, so we don't need to have it in the name of the folder. And then copy this folder, and then you can take it into the source folder of your Catkin workspace, like here. And now we have all the files here. However, I do not recommend this approach, although it's going to work fine. But there is another way, so I'm going to delete this one. And the other way is to use terminal command with the git command line. So first of all, you must make sure that you have git installed on your computer. If you don't, you can install it easily using sudo apt get install, and then you install git. So I have it already installed on my computer. Then, in order to get the package, we go to the src folder again, and now it is empty, as you can see. You can click on this link to make a copy of this URL here, and then using the command line git clone, and then copy the link over here. So now it's going to clone. It means making a copy of the files into your workspace. So you can see now it has been copied again. If I do ls, I will find it over here. So this approach is better because later on, if for example I will make some changes to the repository, you just need to pull again the changes without the need to download the whole package again. And in any case, either the first approach or the second approach would work pretty much fine to get the program files that you will need in this course. So after that, you need to check that the ROS package that you have downloaded compiles and works fine. In this case, you go to the Catkin workspace directory, and then you write catkin make compile. So if everything works fine, you will have a correct compilation, as it is the case on my computer here. Okay, and now if you go to the build directory, you will find that the binaries now are located in this directory, and also you have a folder here, ROS Essentials, in the devel share directory. And finally, you can open Visual Studio Code, and as usual, you drag the project directory into Visual Studio Code, and you will have all the files. So the files will be located here into the src folder. So you can see here you have the src folder, and you have two folders: topic 1 basics, topic 2 motion. So basically here all the tutorials related to publisher, subscriber, service, and action lib in ROS are located in topic 1, and the tutorials related to the turtle sim cleaning application and motion are in topic 2 folder. You can open any of the files from here, and also You can enable the integrated terminal so that you can execute your ROS commands from here, or also you can execute them from an external terminal. So you can run from here or run from here. So here, for example, I can run, let me run ROS core on this external terminal. And here I'm going to run the Tolkol application using ROS run, the name of the package, ROS essential, and then Tolkol node. Now it's working. So this was an overview on how you can get the code and open it using Visual Studio Code. In the next lecture, I'm going to provide a detailed explanation of the code presented in this ROS package.